Like everyone else, I've been having supply chain issues. Do you realize how hard it is to source candy canes this time of year? And we're having an elf shortage. No one wants to work at the North Pole these days. And unfortunately, most of our manufacturing work cannot be done remotely from Hawaii. You got that, Mary? And there's more kids now than ever before. Now, I run a pretty tight ship, but even my delivery systems are being stressed these days. We've been working with paper lists and manual systems for so long, but we finally realized that we need to make the shift to more digital operations. So we turned to the team at Traust. They've been absolutely wonderful to work with. They took the time to listen to our needs and really try to understand what makes our operation so special.
Santa has unparalleled customer satisfaction. They've been doing things right for a really long time. We knew our solution had to help their operations run more smoothly without affecting any of the things that make their work so successful. We started looking at everything Santa needed to create a streamlined supply chain and logistics operation to make sure that everything made it to the North Pole on time. We implemented a cloud-based solution that gives Santa visibility to his entire operations so he and his team can make adjustments in real time. We also wanted to dramatically reduce Santa's manual data entry. With a customer base of nearly 3 billion children worldwide, that leaves a lot of room for error. By digitizing their forms and records, we've also been able to provide a big boost in productivity, even with fewer elves.
My favorite is the digital naughty and nice list. It's really great to have all the information I need to evaluate those kiddos right at my fingertips. And the whole thing is, what's that word? Natively responsive. That means that I can find information on my smartphone just as if I was on my laptop up at the North Pole. That comes in handy when I'm out in the sleigh and a question comes up. Or maybe Mrs. Claus and I can work remotely from our beach house in the summer.
We couldn't be more proud of how the system turned out, and we're looking forward to working with Santa and his team for years to come.
You've been a real good boy, Chris. So I'm gonna have the elves put something extra nice for you in your stocking this year.
Thanks, Santa.